All right, everybody, gonna be doing a little POV drive here in the old Firebird. All right, here we go. I've already done a review on this car, but I figured I'd give a POV drive. So it's a pretty much bone stock V6 Firebird. Only things I've done to it are an intake silencer delete and a muffler delete. Other than that, it's all stock. The car really handles nice. So it's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's one of those cars that even though it's slow, it's a ton of fun. Look at that. Doesn't sound very good. It's really raspy in the high RPM, but that's alright. At low RPM it sounds really good, I think. Do a little rev match. One thing about this car is it took me a long time to figure out how to rev match it, because the throttle by wire is a little laggy, I guess. This thing's just a ton of fun. Beautiful day out here in Michigan today. Do a little third gear, 50 miles an hour, 3,000. So it's got some pickup. It's nothing like the V8 is, but she does just fine, I think. But fifth gear cruising, 50 miles an hour, doing 1,500 RPM. She just chugs along just fine. There's no like bogging or anything. You still got a lot of punch. On the highway it does drone a little bit with the muffler delete, but that's to be expected. The muffler delete was not meant to be a permanent exhaust setup, but due to financial reasons it kind of has been. It's been like that for almost 2 years now, I think. But it really just handles really nice. This guy in the Encore in front of us is kind of killing the mood. Hopefully we'll have better luck on the way back. But the exhaust does some nice crackles and pops and whatnot. I think that's kind of cool. It's got a nice sound to it at low RPM. Nice Fox body there, some nice shape. So we're in fourth gear, and if you just let off the gas, it'll do some pops and stuff. I think that's pretty neat. Sounds good in my opinion. This car really seems to like third gear. Third gear is a pretty versatile gear. First gear in this thing is really short, which is, it's nice because it's a V6 and it makes the V6 feel, you know, a little punchier, but you run out of gear pretty quick. Even doing like a 0 to 60 run, you're almost, I think you have to hit third to hit 60. But that's alright. This car wasn't meant to be the fastest thing ever. It's just meant to be fun. So this won't be a 0 to 60 run, but well, it probably won't be anything actually. We got people coming. There's always next year, you know what I'm saying? Always next year. Alright, now let's hit it. So yeah, it doesn't make the best sound in the world, but I'll be messing with that soon enough. Maybe put an X pipe on it or something. These 3800s Y pipes, they always seem to rasp. But when they got X pipes on them, I think they sound pretty good. So I'll be experimenting with that later on. Alright everybody, we're going to do some quick full throttle action here in the old V6 Firebird from don't know, a 10 mile an hour roll? 20 mile an hour roll. Not my best work, but gets the job done, I suppose. My trans mount's getting a little weak, so shifting quickly is getting kind of difficult, but car's a lot of fun. Loves the corners. Big backfire there. Big backfire. See if we can get another one. Haha, there we go. Backfire City, baby. Do a quick downshift in a second. Let's see if I can rev match it. That was pretty close. Another big backfire there. These 3800s, man, they got some character to them. They're fun little motors. Fun little motors.